Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So I'm doing a video of my countertop with my fingers. So I want to talk about insert molding, right? So here's the heavy duty insert molding. And what I want to bring to your attention is see how long those edges are and see how thick that is, right? Now here's the standard insert molding. See how thick that is and see how short those ears are. So see the difference between the two? Let's do a little comparison so you can kind of see. See how that ear is a lot more deeper, and you see how the thickness is thicker, right? So that's the difference between the two. So when you're going to go do your insert moldings on your roof line or your body or underneath the edges of the fifth wheel or whatever, make sure if you're ordering it from Amazon or if you're getting it from the manufacturer, whoever you're getting it from, the black, the white, and the almond. And this is a different color that we got directly from Grand Design. And just in case it was off, and you can see how close it is in color. It's a hair off, but at the roof line, you're not going to notice it. And then, of course, as time goes, once they start both fading, you're not going to notice it either. But, you know, that's the difference between the thin stuff and the thick stuff. So, all right. Well, hey, thanks so much for watching. This is Dustin, Urban Specialist.